Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and this is the reading for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for the month of August 2020. I have shuffled the cards and laid them out. On my left I have the cards of Capricorns, and on my right I have the cards of your person. Okay, so this is the love reading for Capricorns for the month of August 2020. And I will just start with your reading and we'll do the process of clarification side by side wherever needed. Okay, so let's start your reading, Capricorns. What I'm seeing from your cards is that most of you are dealing with two people in your life, in your love life. Okay, so you have two people craving for you in your love life. Okay, Capricorns, but the interesting thing here is that one is younger than you, Jack of Hearts, and the other person is of your age or maybe elder than you. Okay, so I'm seeing that there are two people in your life, Jack of Hearts and the Queen of Hearts. Okay, and both are really good at heart. You know this. Okay, this can be in your recent past or it can be in your present as well. So what I'm feeling here is that Capricorns, you are feeling like really lucky and powerful right now. Okay, so present energy is telling me that you guys are feeling really fortunate, gratitude and powerful and really lucky to have these two people in your life. Okay, the Ten of Clubs at the bottom of the heart is also showing me that the fortunate period is this for you, Capricorns. The month of August 2020 is really lucky for you guys. Okay, the only thing is that now you're realizing that you have to make choices. Okay, because you can't move forward with the two of them, but you know that both of them are really good at heart and you're really feeling blessed. Okay, but also you are confused right now that whom to choose and who will be better for you. Okay, what I'm also seeing here is that in your near and the distant future, I'm seeing that soon you are gonna make a confession, a declaration of feelings, a declaration of your love to one of them. Okay, so this is, you will soon gonna make a decision that out of these two, with whom you will decide to move on and to declare your love. Okay, which will result in starting a new journey in your love life with this person, and this will result in a successful love life. Okay, so what I'm feeling here is, Capricorns, that you will choose one person out of this, Jack of Hearts and the Queen of Hearts, and you know that with that person you are really happy and you will have a perfect love life. Okay, let's move on to your person's energy, the person you are thinking about. Okay, because there are two people, so this reading is for the one about whom you are thinking. Okay, so what I'm feeling here is that this person who is more in your mind out of these two, this person has really suffered in past. Okay, so they have a really dark and really dark experiences in their past. Okay, maybe lots of relationship issues they had and lots of sufferings they have been through. Okay, and what I'm seeing here is that the person's present is also not good. Okay, so they are currently in a relationship with someone else with whom they are not happy. Okay, they are not satisfied, they are really not at all at peace and happy with their current partner. Okay, so what I'm feeling here is this person has a difficult past as well as their present is also not so good. okay? And what I'm feeling here is that in your person's near and immediate future, I'm able to see that your person will make an independent decision, okay? It's Nine of Clubs. So Nine of Clubs is a card which tells that you have to make an independent decision, okay, by yourself, not thinking about anyone else, just about your happiness, because you have been through a lot in past, as well as you are in a toxic relationship at present also, and you want that happiness, joy, love, peace in your life, okay, which they see in you, Capricorns, okay? So what I'm feeling here is that this person in near future is thinking and will make an independent decision of moving on with you, okay, because they see this Eight of Hearts with you, okay? That is, they see a successful relationship, happiness, joy, emotional satisfaction, okay? They see a really good relationship with you, okay? They see you of someone who is a real good friend and a great lover, and they have hope that you will be a really good life partner as well, okay? So that's why they are willing to take this risk and independent decision of burying their past and not looking back into that, and also coming out of their present, which is really toxic, and they are thinking of starting a new future with you, Capricorns, okay? So this is the person with whom you are attracted more and you want to spend your rest of life, okay? So what I'm feeling here is that maybe the only confusion here is that who is this person, okay? Is this the Jack of Hearts or is the Queen of Hearts? What I'm feeling here is, out of all this which have just recently talked, I feel this is the Queen of Hearts, because this is the person who has a really lot of experiences and they have gone through a lot, and they are more wiser, have a lot of wisdom, they talk mature, and you can, whenever you go into conversation, you really enjoy it, because this person has that level of maturity, okay? So what I'm feeling is that this is more likely to be a Queen of Hearts energy, okay? So I think out of this reading, what I'm feeling here is that you two will soon move in together, okay, in a near and distant future, because I'm seeing that this person will take a decision and will act upon it, and you are also going to declare your feelings towards this person, okay? So let's take the messages from universe and divine towards this connection for Capricorns for the month of August 2020 in their love life and in their current situation, okay? Okay, so I'll take out one card for you. So this is the Queen of Hearts again, okay? So I am now doubly sure that this person is a Queen of Hearts with whom you are going to move on forward soon in a near and distant future, okay? This Queen of Hearts, she has a lot of expansion, okay? She has learned a lot, and she is still so good at her heart and mind and soul, okay? And she is definitely going to move it with you, Capricorns. Okay, so let's take out one more cards to see. So this is the Hierophant. So this is indicating me about some secrets or some insecurities, it can be, or some hidden secrets. Okay, it can be inside you, Capricorns, or it can be inside this person, but I don't think that this will really make a real difference. Okay, but yes, this card indicates that you should try to trust each other more and not to keep any secrets which can harm relationship in future. Okay, the next card I have is the Six of Hearts, which is the card of lovers. Okay, so yes, the card of Gemini. So now I'm clearly confident that yes, it's the Queen of Hearts with whom you're moving together forward in life. Okay, and there is a love, there is lovers, Six of Hearts, but yes, there are some hidden insecurities between the two of you, which I think you should both resolve by conversation. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed your reading, Capricorns, for the month of August 2020. Don't you worry, this month is really lucky for you guys, and you are really powerful this month. Whatever you decide, you will do it, so be firm and do it. Okay, and also encourage others to believe in you, because you are really powerful this month. Nothing you decide will not happen. Okay, everything you think and decide will surely happen. Okay, so here we will end, Capricorns. So thank you for watching, and we will see in the next video. Till then, take care. God bless you. Have fun. Bye bye.